Question 2. The figure below is made up of rectangle X and square Y. The area of rectangle X is 126 meters squared. The area means the space inside the rectangle. The length of a side of a square Y is 7 meters. So this is 7 meters. The property of a square is that all the sides are equal. This will be 7 meters. This will be 7 meters. And this will be 7 meters. Find the length of the figure. The length of the figure is the longer side. We'll just put the length of the whole figure so that we are very clear what we want to find. The length of the whole figure is this entire length here. Okay? So the whole figure, and this is the length of the whole figure. How do we go about doing that? The side of a square is 7 meters, which means that this side is also 7 meters, and this side here is also 7 meters. So we have 7 meters here. Let's consider only the rectangle X. This rectangle X. So the rectangle X, the area is 126 meters. And how do we get this area? The area will be the length here times the breadth of the rectangle X. So if we know that for this rectangle, the area is 126 meters square, we have the breadth. How do we find the length? We can take 126, which is the area of the rectangle X, divided by the breadth, which is 7. So 126 divided by 7 will be 18 meters. So the length here of rectangle X is 18 meters. So there we have it. To find the length of the whole figure, we just need to take 18 plus 7. 18 plus 7 is 25 meters, and that's the answer.